Okay, so unbox natin itong iPhone XR LCD replacement from LAZADA. Ito po yung sirang screen. Tinanggal ko na siya. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo later. But for now, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so ito po yung laman niya. Meron siyang free screwdriver sets. Saka ito pantanggal ng screen. And then ito mga pang sungkit. Alright, and then here's the actual screen. Alright, so ito yun siya. Okay, so hopefully wala namang damage. There's one piece of device na kailangan natin i-transfer, and that will be this part right here. As you can see, ito yung bago. Actually, the other way around. Ito yung screws. So ganito. Dito natin nililipat ito. This side. Okay. So, alright. I think we can get started. Okay. Ito yun. I think una natin gagawin is tanggalin ko na muna yung screen. Let's use this tool, prying tool. Okay. Yung LCD cable and the digitizer cable, and then apparently you also have to remove this cable right here para ma-separate yung screen niya. Then we also have to remove the power pala muna, sorry. We have to make sure we remove the power. Okay, so natin sa battery. And then, the battery removed. And then also we have to remove this cover. Then okay, remove natin yung cover, and then ito siya. Careful lang. Okay, this is it. Let's put this on the side. Okay, so this one we have to remove and transfer it here. Okay. So I have to take this. Alright, it's on. It's off. Stable. Okay, right there. And it goes up in this one. Careful. What's this? The other ones. Okay, the way it goes. Ito. Get. Good job. Good job. And then this one. This one. There you go. This is it. Okay. Right, so let's see. I have to go. So again. Can you watch? Ah. That's all right. Let's see this. Having this. Okay. Old one. Put there. Just there. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. I'm going to put back the battery. Okay. Put back this right here. There you go. It's right there. And this goes. Okay. It's done. One more. Okay. All right. Everything's plugged in. Just oh, cool. It's charged. Okay, come on. Okay. Let me just pause the video while it charges. Alright guys, this is it. It's finally back. I'm so excited. Okay, I haven't put it back yet, so it's still like that. But just enough charge that it turns on its own. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, it worked. It worked. I'm gonna. Oh my goodness, it worked. It worked. Cool. So that worked. Camera. Perfect. That worked, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's cover everything. First, put cover on this one. This. That's our part. Who's our part? Next, let's put the cover of the LCD and digitizer. Sobrang liit ng mga screws, ang hirap balik ng covers. So anyway, didn't have to show it kasi sobrang tagal. Pagbalik pa lang. Tagal. So anyway, nabalik ko na yung 3 covers. Yung dito sa speaker area, yung dito. And then yung sa digitizer and LCD. And then yung sa cover din ng battery kasi tinanggal natin yung battery area. Anyway, so here it is. It's ready. Ayan na. So, woohoo! It was a success, guys. Alright, so successful yung pagpalit natin. And it would be nice if they included yung adhesive dito. Kasi pagtanggal mo kasi, accidentally, natatanggal din yung mga adhesive. So, hindi na siya waterproof kasi hindi na siya buo. It would be nice if they included that. Kasi sa mga videos online nakikita ko, they have to remove the old adhesive and then put the new one in para talagang sealed na sealed siya. Anyway, this one, I'll just have to reuse whatever's left na lang. So okay, so that's it. And so now, all I have to do is put back this itong dalawang big screws dito sa ilalim. Yun lang. Maybe I'll show it pag madikit ko na siya. But that's it, guys. I'll show the final output. Alright, tanggalin ko na ito. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Maybe I can remove this now. Okay. And then maybe I'll start from top. And nagsasnap naman siya, guys. Snap. 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 Okay, sorry, snap back guys, I think. Let's make sure that you snap. Okay. Oops, no. Okay. It's all flat. And now it's time to put this 2 screws, long screws, back in place. Okay. Alright guys, so ayan na. Nalagay ko na siya sa protective casing niya. And nakabit ko na rin yung dalawang long screws dito. And yeah, it's a success. Alright, so may napansin na ako very little dead pixel, but okay lang, hindi naman masyadong, so far everything's good. So yeah, yun lang. It was a success and hope this has been informative. Please like, share, and subscribe for future DIY videos. Thank you.